How to transfer Dogecoin from Dogechain to Binance. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to transfer or withdraw your Dogecoin from Dogechain to any exchange or wallet. If you missed my previous video where I showed how to bridge Dogecoin to Dogechain, you can click on the little eye icon you can see on the top right corner of this video to watch this video first. But if you want to withdraw your Dogecoin from Dogechain to Binance or any other exchange, just go to the bridge.dogechain.dog and connect your wallet. Choose MetaMask, and you need to be switched to the Dogechain on the MetaMask. Also watch my previous video how to add Dogechain to MetaMask. I already connected to the Dogechain mainnet, so everything is fine. And now if I want to withdraw my Dogecoin from Dogechain, I switch to the withdraw tab. Here you see all the available Dogecoin, and if you want to withdraw, for example, max amount, just click on max. But please be sure that minimum amount should be 100 Dogecoin. A small amount will result in your request being denied. The protocol will send your Dogecoin within 7 days following your withdrawal request, and there is a fee of 0.1% upon each withdrawal. So now just enter Dogecoin recipient address. It can be your address from the Dogecoin wallet, or in our example it can be Binance exchange wallet address. So let's go to the Binance quickly, and I'm on my fiat and spot wallet. Click on deposit and select crypto deposit. Here on the select coin, type Doge and select Dogecoin. Select network, Dogecoin network should be here. Get address, and here you can copy the address to which you need to do the withdrawal. I pasted it, and now I can do the withdrawal. Let's click on withdraw. As usual, you will see MetaMask pop-ups where you need to confirm the transaction. Transaction confirmed, and after some time I will receive my Dogecoin from Dogechain to my Binance exchange wallet. I hope this video helped you. Please let me know in the comments below. As usual, like and subscribe, and see you next time.